Hi and welcome back to P5 tutorial using a for loop. Let me close this one. This is the previous tutorial. Let's close that. And here are the lines of codes for that very pattern you saw earlier, or this case you saw earlier. Let's run it again so that you have a look at it. And there we go. So I'm going to close it. So what I intend to do now is I'm going to carry out one or two modifications. For those of you who are new to p5.js, you always start by using the function setup. Set your canvas, that's more or less the width and the height of my system. In this case I said stroke, no stroke. Then function draw, that draw the ellipse that you saw earlier. This is the background. I'm using a for loop and another for loop embedded within the for loop, and here is the color that fill in the ellipse. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to change the stroke, get rid of that, change it to 0, and let's say the stroke width, we're going to change that as well. Stroke width, I'm going to make that 5, or yeah, let's say 5 for now, and enter a semicolon there. If I run this now, let's see what's going to happen just with those two modifications. Okay, let's run it. Make sure it's saved, and let's run it and see what will happen. There we go. You can see the stroke around it, though to you there's space, but let's make it a little bit wider. Supposing I say it's 10, and save it, run it again. There, look at that. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to come in here inside the for loop itself. Let's carry out one or two modifications. Let's change that to 80 and this to 80 as well, and let's run it again and see what's going to happen. But first of all, save and run. There we go. You see that, guys? Now let's carry out another modification. You see the ellipse shape itself. I'm going to increase that shape to 160, and let's increase this to 160 as well. File, save and run, and let's see what will happen. There we go. You see that, guys? So that's how you use for loop, an embedded for loop within p5.js. So with that, I'm going to call it the end of this brief tutorial. I suppose you guys enjoyed. You all have a nice day now. Bye for now.